Okay, boys and girls, today we are solving division problems by using the strategy Act It Out. Read the problem below. Stacy
has 16 flowers. She puts an equal number of flowers in each vase. How many flowers does Stacy put in each vase? Use the graphic organizer below to solve the problem.
Okay, boys and girls, from that story, what do we need to find? They already have some sentence starters for you. I need to find the number of, everyone? The number of
Vases.
number of vases? Guys, I'm asking you, hey, get on the same page. I need to find the number of
Flowers.
Stacy puts in each.
Vase.
Okay, so the first blank is
Flowers.
write it down. The second blank she puts in each vase. Okay. Now, what information do I need to use? I have a sentence starter for you. Stacy has blank flowers. How many flowers did it say she had, guys?
16.
16 flowers. And she puts an equal number of flowers in each of how many vases?
4
vases. 4 vases. Okay. The next step says, how will I use this information? I have the sentence starter for you. I will act out the problem by making equal what? What word do we usually have after equal? Groups with counters. Equal groups with counters. We're making equal groups. Like we said yesterday, we talked about how division is a back family multiplication. So you can kind of work out division the way you work out multiplication by making equal groups. Now let's solve the problem. Describe how to act out the problem to solve. First, count out how many counters. How many counters are we going to count out? 16. Why are we doing 16 counters?
Because it says that Stacy has 16 flowers.
For 16 flowers. We have 16 counters for the 16 flowers. Next, we're going to make how many equal groups?
4.
Why are we making 4 equal groups?
Because that's the flowers. 4 vases.
Because there's 4 vases, and we have 16 flowers that are supposed to go into 4 vases, right?
Yep.
So, we're going to make sure that we have 16 flowers and 4 equal groups. Now, they're telling you what to do. Place 1 counter at a time in each group until all 16 counters are used. Last, draw the equal groups by completing the picture below. Now, we didn't actually do the counters, but we can draw the counters for ourselves. How many counters were we supposed to have?
16.
Okay, if we trace the ones they already have, we're putting 1 in each group. This reminds me of making an array and putting 1 in each row. Okay, but instead it's going in groups. Now we have to have 16, so we have to keep drawing 1 in each group until we're all done. So let's go ahead and put 1 right here again. That's 5, right? Then 6, type Tedman. 7, let's go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. So Stacy put, okay, now look at this chart, or this groups. We know there were 16 flowers and they were in 4 groups. Question is, how many flowers does Stacy put in each vase? So look at your groups. How many did she put in each vase, guys? 4 flowers in each vase. Okay, go to the next page. Okay, try another problem. Hayden
is planning a party. He makes 21 cookies. If he plans to give each person 3 cookies, how many people will be at his party?
Okay, what are we trying to find? What do I need to find?
How many people will be at Hayden's party?
How many people will be at Hayden's party? Write that down. What information in the story can we use to help figure out how many people he's having at his party? Callie?
He bakes 21 cookies.
Okay, Hayden bakes 21 cookies. What's the other piece of information that is important? Tyson? Okay, Hayden will give each person 3 cookies. Hayden will give each person 3 cookies. I could say each person at his party, but we're just going to say each person. How will I use this information? Using the same sentence from the sentence previous page, which is what?
I will act out the problem by making equal groups of counters.
I will act out the problem by making equal groups of counters, or by using equal groups of counters. I guess I should say making equal groups of counters. If you don't know how to spell everything, this is on the previous page. I will act out the problem by making equal groups of counters. Okay, now we're going to describe how we're going to act out the problem. On the previous page, the problem said the first step was to count out 16 counters, right? What should we say for this one? First, what are we going to do? First, count out. Thank you. Count out 21 counters. Okay, on the last one, they knew how many groups that they were going to have. This time, we don't know how many groups we're going to have, but we know how many counters in each group we will have. Because they're going to have 3 cookies. So for each group, we should have 3 cookies. So next, make a group of 3. Keep making groups of 3 until all 21 counters are in groups. Keep making groups of 3 until all 21 counters are used. Okay, then draw the groups to show how many people got 3 cookies. Okay, now let's actually show the picture of this. So let's start first with 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to keep making 3 until we get to 21. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And then I'm going to draw my circles around the groups of 3.
I didn't.
And how many groups were there?
7.
7. So there are 7 people. There are 7 people at his party. Okay, how can we check our answers as reasonable? We can skip count by 3s. We can skip count by 3s till we get to 21 and see how many numbers we counted. Okay, I want you guys to skip count with me.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21.
Okay, and there are 7 numbers.